Greetings on day 3 of the big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios USA, where you can find new bundles at huge discounts added every day until the 1st of June. Opening our deals today is a mega card blanks and envelope bundle, including 5 sizes in a mixture of ivory, white and craft card. This 11-pack set contains 110 blanks and envelopes and is available at 70% off its RRP of $54.98 to a sublime $16.47. Make your next project shine with a Nuvo Embellishment Mousse bundle made for mixed media and adding fantastic finishes to your projects. This 7 mousse selection is available at a dazzling 75% off the retail price to $13.98. These next tools are essential to Stencil. With blending sponges, media spatula, stencil brushes and easy clean mat, creating crisp and textured designs with a technique of your choosing has never been easier. Available during the spring clean sale at 60% off retail at a sensational $23.58. Finally, tell them how you feel with this mini moment sentiment selection at 70% off. These cute sentiments fit perfectly on smaller cards and make a big impact. Available for a limited time only at a spring clean special price of $4.79. These are all limited edition bundles, and once they're gone, they're gone. So be sure to check back every day to see if something you've had your eye on arrives at a bargain price this spring.